Whew. Long day today. So, I did a lot of work. Did a lot of work helping people out today. It's the craziest shit. I just went through a mass of shit today. So we're going into the dark here. Woo! Spooky, spooky, spooky dark. Spooky jumping through the lights. Ding, ding. Okay. So this was kind of crazy, but before this, I can give you a little idea. So this was just nothing but shit. Okay, just mountains of shit. So I got all the way here, got all the way here, and then all the way here, and you can kind of tell that type of shit. And I turned it into that type of shit. Walls, missing one light bulb, but it's about to fuck it. I'm currently bleaching the toilet, that's about all. My door, a little bit of cracks, seals, but I'll kind of restore it. Get a little kind of guest kit for that, that's about it. Nice clean. Nice clean. A little kind of stand for some basics, and then that's about all. Pretty as shit. Even razor blade of the mirror, nice and clean. Not bad. Thank you, production.